For this video, I will show you how to block someone on Teams. First, click on the three dots on the left toolbar and choose Chat. Now you can see your contacts, or you can search for someone on the search bar. However, just a reminder, you can't block someone from the same organization as you. You can just block someone if they are an external one or they are not part of your organization. Now, if you block someone that is not part of your organization, if you click on the three dots, it will show you a block option. Or you can click on their name. Then there will be a block option under it. And just click on it if you want to block them. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.